Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business flyer depth using render clouds in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place my business flyer layout. I stop for a moment because flat flyers feel lifeless. I add a new layer below the content. I reset colors and apply render clouds. The texture appears instantly. I reduce opacity slowly, watching the depth build. I stretch the layer to fit perfectly. I add a soft blur because flyers need clarity. I adjust levels just a little. The background now feels breathable. The business message strands stronger